Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Overturn. Overturn. Overturn means tip something over. For example, the crowd proceeded to overturn cars and set them on fire. The crowd proceeded to overturn cars and set them on fire. Synonyms: fall, tumble, overturn. Overwhelm. Overwhelm. Overwhelm means bury or drown beneath huge mass. For example, the water flowed through to overwhelm the whole dam and the village beneath. The water flowed through to overwhelm the whole dam and the village beneath. Synonyms: swamp, submerge, engulf. Patrol. Patrol. Patrol means keep watch over area. For example, the garrison had to patrol the streets to maintain order. The garrison had to patrol the streets to maintain order. Synonyms: keep guard on, guard. Persist. Persist. Persist means continue in opinion or course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. For example, the minority of drivers who persist in drinking. The minority of drivers who persist in drinking. Synonyms: persevere, continue, carry on. Pioneer. Pioneer. Pioneer means develop or invent something new. For example, he has pioneered a number of innovative techniques. He has pioneered a number of innovative techniques. Synonyms: develop, introduce, evolve. Pledge. Pledge. Pledge means commit person by promise. For example, the government pledged itself to deal with environmental problems. The government pledged itself to deal with environmental problems. Plug. Plug. Plug means block hole. For example, trucks arrived loaded with gravel to plug the hole and clear the road. Trucks arrived loaded with gravel to plug the hole and clear the road. Synonyms: stop, stop up, seal. Plunge. Plunge. Plunge means jump or dive energetically. For example, our daughters whooped as they plunged into the sea. Our daughters whooped as they plunged into the sea. Synonyms: jump, dive, hurl oneself. Pop. Pop. Pop means make sudden explosive sound. For example, corks popped and glasses tinkled. Corks popped and glasses tinkled. Synonyms: go bang, go off with a bang, go off. Portray. Portray. Portray means depict person or thing in work of art or literature. For example, the author wanted to portray a new type of hero. The author wanted to portray a new type of hero. Synonyms: paint, draw a picture of. Postpone. Postpone. Postpone means cause or arrange for something to take place at time later than that first scheduled. For example, the visit had to be postponed for some time. The visit had to be postponed for some time. Synonyms: put off, delay, defer. Preach. Preach. Preach means deliver sermon etc. to group of people. For example, he preached to a large congregation. He preached to a large congregation. Synonyms: give a sermon, deliver a sermon, sermonize. Prescribe. Prescribe. Prescribe means of medical practitioner, advise and authorize use of medicine or treatment for someone. For example, Dr. Green prescribed magnesium sulfate. Dr. Green prescribed magnesium sulfate. Synonyms: order, advise, authorize. Preside. Preside. Preside means be in position of authority in meeting or other gathering. For example, Bishop Herbainer presided at the meeting. Bishop Herbainer presided at the meeting. Synonyms: chair, take the chair, be chairman. Presume. Presume. Presume means suppose that something is the case. For example, I presumed that the man had been escorted from the building. I presumed that the man had been escorted from the building. Synonyms: assume, suppose, dare say. Probe. Probe. Probe means explore or examine. For example, researchers probing the digestive glands of mollusks. Researchers probing the digestive glands of mollusks. Synonyms: examine, feel, feel around. Proclaim. Proclaim. Proclaim means announce officially or publicly. For example, the Joint Manifesto proclaimed that imperialism would be the coalition's chief objective. The Joint Manifesto proclaimed that imperialism would be the coalition's chief objective. Synonyms: publicize, make public, make known. Prosecute. Prosecute. Prosecute means institute legal proceedings against. For example, they were prosecuted for obstructing the highway. They were prosecuted for obstructing the highway. Provoke. Provoke. Provoke means stimulate or give rise to in someone. For example, the decision provoked a storm of protest from civil rights organizations. The decision provoked a storm of protest from civil rights organizations. Synonyms: arouse, produce, evoke. Pump. Pump. Pump means move liquid, gas, etc. with pump. For example, the blood is pumped around the body. The blood is pumped around the body. Synonyms: force, drive, push.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.